Boys and girls, today for 2.5, you're going to figure out, for the essential question, how do I use traditional multiplication to solve 2-digit by 1-digit problems? Here we have our first 3 mental math problems. What I'd like for you to do is copy each of these problems down, pause the video, and then when you finish solving the problems, replay the video and then figure out if you have the correct answers or not. So for the first one I have here, 7 times 6, that's a simple multiplication problem, and I know my answer is 42. For the next problem, if I think about, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or I have to do it in the parentheses first. I have to actually do the 6 times 10 to the first, or 6 times 10 is equal to 60, and then I have to do the exponent of 1, which would just leave it at 60, and I'm going to redo that and have 7 there. So now I have to do 7 times 60, which is equal to 420. And my last problem on this page, 7 times 60 is actually equal to 420. Okay, boys and girls, here we are on our second set of mental math problems. So go ahead and take a minute, pause the video, and then come back and see if you get the correct answers after solving them on a scrap piece of paper. So here for the first problem, 4 times 7, we know that 4 times 7 equals 42. For the second problem, I have to do the exponent first, so I know that 10 squared is equal to 100, but I have to bring down the 7 times 100. So 7 times 100 is equal to 700. For the next one, I have 4 times parentheses 7 times 10 to the second power, so I have to do parentheses first, but once inside the parentheses, I have to do the exponents first. So exponents, 10 squared is going to give me 100, and then I have 7 times 10 still in parentheses, and then I have that. So I know that 7 times 100 is equal to 700, and then I need to do 4 times 700, which is equal to 2800, and that's my answer for that problem. And down here it's a simple 4 times 700, which equals 2800. So there we have it for mental math.